everyone. Well, it's time for me to pick the winners, and I did that this morning. Congratulations to the winners, and a big thank you to all that participated. This was so much fun doing the giveaway. I used a comment picker to select the subscribers that commented on the giveaway video, and this is the results. For the weekly planner, which is this right here, Tracy Delagardello. I hope I didn't mispronounce that. If you'll contact me through my email, which is hellosusancreates@gmail.com, and give me your address, I will ship this off to you right away. I will not be asking you for shipping or anything else, so in case somebody contacts you for spam, it's not me. And the people who actually were subscribers that got the Hello Susan digital downloads is, I'm sorry if I mispronounced your names. It's Carol, Schlabach, Terre Sexton, KriOs Games, at Susie's Cottage, and Catherine Daniels. So congratulations to all the winners. Actually, I'm just so happy that everybody participated. So like I said, contact me through my email. The digitals will be downloads for you. I will send them to your email that you provide to me, and you'll download and print yourself. Okay, well, this has been so much fun. Happy creating, everyone. Bye-bye.